Meanwhile, the nation made progress in the women's sprint hurdles as well as the men's and women's mile relay. Jamaica will also have a finalist in the women's long jump for the first time in 14 years come Sunday's 10th and final day. Simon Preston looks ahead.
Just like 2 years ago in London, Jamaica will have 4 representatives in the semi-finals of the women's 100-metre hurdles on Sunday. In Heat 3, Diamond League winner and 2015 champion Danielle Williams looked impressive as she took the race with a time of 12.51.
As much as anybody else, I know everybody here is capable of making it onto the podium. So I'm just focused on executing my race and running 3 technically efficient races, and hopefully that could get me onto the podium.
Pan American Games bronze medalist Megan Tapper was the first Jamaican in action on the track on day 9, and her 12.78 seconds clocking placed her second behind double indoor champion Nia Ali of the United States.
It's not a splendid time, but I'm grateful, and I'm excited to see what's next.
Commonwealth Games bronze medalist Unique Thompson followed in Tapper's footsteps with qualification to the semi-finals with a time of 12.85 for second.
Yes, this would be the second time I'm making it to the semi-finals round. The last time I missed the finals, this close. So, my goal is to just run as best as I possibly can, and hopefully I can be in the finals this round.
The quartet was complete with Janique Brown, who is the second fastest woman in the world this year, produced 12.61 for second behind Commonwealth Games champion Tobia Musan's 12.48, which was the fastest time of the 5 heats.
Right now, it's getting into the final. And once I get into the final, then I'll try to better myself, better my personal best, and wherever that takes me, I feel like I'll be happy, my coach will be happy, Jamaica should be happy.
Jamaica also made progress in the mile relay heats for men and women. The women's team of Ronisha McGregor, Anastasia Leroy, Tiffany James and Stephanie Ann McPherson won their heat in 3 minutes 23.64. After missing out in the final 2 years ago, the men's team made no such error, as the team of Akeem Bloomfield, Nathan Allen, Terry Thomas and Javon Francis also booked their spot into the final with a season's best time of 3 minutes 00.76. Over in the women's long jump qualification, Shanice Porter booked her place into Sunday's final with a best jump of 6.57 meters in Group A. This jump came on her 3rd attempt, and it knocked out the 4-time champion Brittany Reese of the United States. Over in Group B, Tisana Hickling was not able to join her fellow countrywoman into the final, as her 6.49 meters effort placed her 7th in that group and 16th overall out of the 31 competitors. The women's long jump final will commence at 11:15 a.m.